Well, we do have some good news this morning. A job that I did 6 months ago has finally paid. Woo! Don't work for the government, don't work for schools, don't work for hospitals, because it can be a fucking nightmare getting the money back unless you're quite happy to wait. But yeah, they called me up this morning. It's been 6 months. Out of the blue, I honestly had given up. I have not been chasing them. I've spent enough time chasing the money. So they called me up. 500 quid's gone into my account, which feels like a bonus because I didn't expect to be getting it. The advert is already out. By the time you're watching this, you know that one that we filmed, the video titled "I Completely Sold Out." That advert is now on TikTok, so you can go and check it out if you want, just out of pure curiosity. It's basically, they said, "Oh, do it in your style, but it can only be 1 minute 30 long, and you have to say everything here." Which, to be honest with you, I was literally like desperately trying to read it because I just didn't have the time to actually fit everything they wanted to say into the video. So it does sound and look ridiculous, but there you go. So you can check that out if you're curious. Now we are going over to fit a little radiator, replace an easy fit. I think I'm going to do that first, just to see what it's like and how easy it is to replace an easy fit tap. So we'll do that first. I'm literally here. So let's get straight into the video. Let's go. Right, no isolations. Yeah, great.
People think their techniques, well, hold on a minute, I'll just do this. Just
Right.
stick that in your thing. Hurry up.
Oh, it's turning all right. That should be coming out all right. Great. Right. There we go. And then pop that one back down. There. There we go, that was easy enough. Right. Give that a scrub. So new one on. Lube. Right, so then that one should just drop onto there. I might need to loosen off the sort of, yeah, loosen off these first. Okay. There we go. Right, wind those back in. Right, let me do that. Right, trick with easy fit is wiggle as you turn. Wiggle as you turn, and then it will like locate better. There you go. So now it's like fully located. Yeah, that's good. Ooh. Bang. Right, there it is. Okay, I haven't heard no explosions yet. In the car. Right. Let's get this little red off. Oh, okay. Well, that's not very good, is it? Luckily, I've got spare radiator keys because I've lost my little monument one. I don't know where I've lost that either. I've no idea. It's very clean. I know that much. Anyway, get that one drained down quick. It's funny, but I just picked up them Fisher fixings. I like them. There's a bit of wood behind that bit there, so hopefully we can catch on there. Right, let's get these on. Come on. Let's get one side, and then we'll see if we can push it over. Right, okay, so on. There's this blue tab. Can you see that one? There. Right. Okay, but where's the pressure gauge then? Oh, there we go. It actually says it at the bottom, pressure 0.6. Okay, so it's got that like slidey little bar thing. That's interesting. Right. Let's get that up the top end of the green, and then we'll vent that little tiny radiator. Alright, let's get it open. Balance it by just enough. Oh god, clear my throat there. Right, turn that side on. That's balanced because it's only just on, or will help with balancing. Let's get this one just bled. Shouldn't take long because it's tiny. Wait, there you go. See. There we go, on me. Alright. Right. Okay. Ah, right, it does actually show it in real time. Okay. Go to 1.5. Whoop, 1.6. Kind of like this menu here. So that was on information. So you go into information. Oh. Sorry. Information, then you click OK, and then it tells you there. It's kind of cool. Back. Shows you everything else. That's cool. Right. Back. There we are. Put this all back together quick. Right, jobbed. So, radiator and an easy fit tap. So, for all you guys watching on Monday, I think we've done pretty much all of the jobs that we quoted Monday. Maybe there's another one somewhere. Right, next job we've got to go to is just a dripping tap. It's right next to the merchant, which is fantastic because we like that, because I stopped carrying loads of different tap cartridges just for the fact I've run out, and instead of going, oh yeah, what I'll do is I'll write down what cartridge I've used, replenish my stock. I haven't been, right? Emergency jobs, late jobs, whatever. I just haven't been writing them down. So it's good. Anything that's near the merchant, you know what I mean? I can just size it up and then go and I'll show you what I do. Right, I'm going to go and get something to eat first. We're going to have breakfast first because why not? It's a nice day. It is actually a really nice day compared to the rest of the week. It's been a bit miserable and dreary. Whilst today the sun's out. My belly's rumbling. Let's go get some sort of gluten-free breakfast. I know where to go. We're going to the pub. Woohoo! I just remembered. So obviously I get a lot of free coffee because I've worked in a lot of cafes. I worked in this pub. Now I'm not going to get a free breakfast today, but last time I did some work there, I used to live next door to this pub, by the way. Used to live right next door, and the manager come and knocked on my door. He was like, can you help us out? And I was like, no. To be honest with you, I thought that was, I don't know, it was all kicking off in there or something. I was like, nah, I'm all right, mate. oh no, we got a burst pipe. So I literally went there in my pyjamas, fixed the burst pipe. He said, how much do we owe you? I said, well, it's an emergency call out, you know, it's going to be 150 quid. So I went, oh, just we'll sort it out tomorrow. So I went in there and he went, I'll tell you what, I'll give you 200 quid, but in food vouchers. And I said yes. I said yes. I didn't take the money, I took and they were called pug bucks because it's called the Lazy Pug. And I had £200 worth of pug bucks, which I spent on food. And I had breakfast every morning for like nearly a month. So, yeah, no free breakfast this morning. I don't think we'll be getting a free breakfast, but it is a very good breakfast, to be fair. If you ever passing through Shipston on Stour, stop there, get a breakfast. It is, I'll show you it, it is banging. Oh, banging. And a cup of tea. Lovely. Well, that was a nice little break. Right, let's go and fix a drippy tap. There's a drippy tap. Right, ISOs under here. Turn those off. Right, 1.
Well, that's handy. You can see what you're doing. Oh, right.
2. Yeah, it's nice. Right, pop that off. Oh, come on, there we go. Unscrew that. Oh, I should have put the plug in. Should have put the plug in, save me losing stuff. Oh well. Right, 17 mil, whatchamacallit. There we go. Take that out. There we go. Right, so there you go, there's our ceramic cartridge. So you can see, open, close. Now, it's just 2 pieces of ceramic sat on top of each other now because they're so incredibly smooth, they seal up water. Now, you only got to get a little bit of lime scale or something in there, and then it will just drip. It's not like a traditional tap washers where you just replace the washer because it's corroded, it's got damaged over time. These, you just have to swap out the whole cartridge. So, let's whip up to the merchant and pick some up.
Yeah, not bad, thank you. Ta-da.
CC5. There they are. Right, so got the cartridges now. 20 quid. That's about what they are now. They always used to be about 15. But you can't buy them separately. You have to buy them in a pair from nearly every shop that I've ever been to. It's very rare you can actually just buy them on their own, and a lot of the time obviously you only ever really need one, but it is always good practice to replace both the hot and the cold, because if one starts dripping, it's inevitable the other side will start dripping soon enough. So let's get those swapped out. It's a lovely easy little job, and when it was lockdown, people were working from home. A lot of people have got open plan kitchens, sitting at that dining room table, drip, 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 drip. And so during lockdown, I must have done at least 5 dripping taps a day. I didn't really do any other work, not really. I was doing bathrooms then, but I was like, hang on a minute, I'm making so much money doing dripping taps, swapping out cartridges. So I invested in getting a load of cartridges, and just going out and just doing those, prioritising them one after the other. And then at the time I was not charging as much as I do now. I was only probably like £50 for the first hour plus parts. So back then it was like 65 quid and you'd get your taps fixed, and the amount of them that I used to do was unbelievable. But now they just get mixed in with other jobs. I don't get them that often really now, dripping taps. I've got some tomorrow, funny enough saying that, but yeah, this time of year, I don't know how you guys are finding it. You'll have to let me know in the comments what sort of jobs you're doing at the minute. But for me, it is a lot of my radiator's cold, or I'm on a new radiator, or I mean, I get loads of calls about servicing boilers, which I don't do. So yeah, at the minute it's all just heating stuff, radiators, radiator valves, stuff like that. But yeah, try and mix it up. I try and mix it up as best I can, really, and sort of spread the jobs out, so I'm not doing the same thing every day now. Like, what was we doing yesterday? We were doing a radiator yesterday, but then the day before we was fitting a toilet, blah blah blah. So we try and make it a bit more interesting going into work, rather than monotonously doing the same thing. But the dripping taps, I could happily do 20 of those a day, every day for the rest of my life. Super easy money. The good thing about this job as well is that you're not having to get down on your knees. You're stood up doing the work, so it's so much better for me. I've got pretty bad knees, but it does make a big difference actually just stood there doing something. Right, so there we go. The tap has been fit. The jobs have been done. I'm really happy because money that I didn't expect to be coming in from that job has come in. Everything's all happy in the world of Professor Plum. Nice little bite-sized episode today. If you did like this video, please hit that subscribe button. If you've not already, but if you are already subscribed, leave me a comment. Make me laugh. I like a funny comment. I'm a simple man. Tell me a joke. The worse the joke, the more of a dad joke, the better. Just on that note, I'll tell you one of the comments on the last video that I liked, I appreciated. Why is brown sugar more expensive than white sugar? Because of demerara. I like it, it's good. Also, just hit that like button, just do it. Why not? You've got all the way to the end of the video. Just hit the like button. It does really help with the whole algorithms and pushing the long form content, which is what I want to be doing. I want to be doing the long stuff. I don't want to keep getting subscribers through shorts because I'm not watching the long stuff. So if you do all those things, you are massive legends. I owe you a high five if I ever see you. And the code word for today, God, something related to the video. I didn't know you was in the tap cartridge cartel. The tap cartridge cartel. That is the code word for today. Put that. I know you've watched all the way to the very end. The other people who know will know and will like your comment. And appreciate that you've also made it to the very end of the video. I love the people that watch all the way to the end. I think you're fucking heroes. Right, I'm going to go film the video that will be coming out Sunday, which is going to be a tool bag review and a little tool haul. So, little something for you to watch on a Sunday, because last time I posted on a Sunday, the video did quite well. So, obviously, you've got nothing better to do with your lives if you're watching me on a Sunday. So, yeah, Sunday video coming out. Like I say, you can go on TikTok, you can watch the that advert that I did, so you can actually see what the final result of the going down and doing the filming, doing that camera, so that you can see that. So yeah, there we go. See you on the next one, baby.